Let's take a look at how one digs into the results of a quiz that you've given if you want to sort of analyze how individuals did and how each question was perhaps taken or not. Let's see. So I'm going to come up here. I'm just going to choose a quiz. And then there it is, and it says that there were 15 attempts for this guy. And then I'm going to come up here and I'm going to use the gear at the top. If I'm looking at the quiz, will give me an option of hitting results. Now results are going to give me 4 options there: grades, responses, stats, and manual grading. And remember, that is a gear icon, so to get back to it we'll have to go right up to there again. But this is where we'll start here. We have several choices here. I want enrolled users who have attempted the quiz. I might want to have all of them so I can find out which students got a 0, and I want to see that. So let's just scroll down, and here are my students. Okay, so I can see how they've done here, and I can just scroll down. I can look at their grades, and then if I scroll down to the bottom of this, I'll get a sort of a breakout of what the grades look like in that class. So that's pretty helpful right up front. So I will note that if I scroll down here, a couple things to pay attention to. First of all, I can see if they're done or not, when they started, when they completed, how long it took them, and what their score was at a glance. However, you can also see on this side, review attempt is an option. So I'm going to look down here and I'm going to see a student who's struggling, and I'll click review attempt on, and then I will scroll down and I can see basically how this worked out. The other thing you can do is you can come up here. Let's go back to another view. Same concept. I go to results. Now I'm going to go to responses. And now what I'm going to do is this can be a little unwieldy. I only want to see attempts that are finished. So I'm going to scroll down, and there we have. Now this is a little unwieldy because I can't see the base of this right now. So I scroll to the bottom of it, and then I see that I can scroll over, which is like horrible, and then I can scroll back up, and you can see this is a little burdensome to get through, but that's how that goes. And you can look at these responses and find out basically at a glance how one did. Okay, let's go back to the top here, and now we're going to go to stats. Okay, now for stats, I will scroll down, and I get all these this breakout here. It's just terrific. And then I have a breakout by question, also terrific, and then the stats for the questions themselves. So this is just remarkable. If you're unfamiliar with it, I recommend you take a look at it next time you're having a test. And manual grading is, of course, if I had anything that I was going to had like an essay question I had to grade, I would be able to look at that and how they did on that as well. So that's about it. If you want more information on this, please let me know, and have a great day.